How to sign up for the Ring app. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step method on how you can easily sign up for the Ring app. It is a mobile application that allows users to monitor and manage their Ring smart home security device, such as video doorbells, security cameras, and alarm systems. Some of its key features are live view, motion alerts, two-way audio, video history, and device control. So if you want to set up a new account for this, you first need the application. You can download it from Google Play Store, or if you are on an Apple device, you can find it on App Store. Now, once you open up the application, you have two options. If you already have an account, just sign in from here. And if you want to create a new one, just tap right here. Enter your name and then your surname, then tap on continue. Then go ahead and enter the country. Now you'll just have to provide your email address right here and retype your email address. Then tap on continue again and you'll have to create a new password, which must be at least 8 characters, include uppercase and lowercase letters, include at least one number and at least one symbol. You cannot include your name, surname, or email as your password. So I'm just going to create mine. Now, once you have entered your password, tap on create account and your new account will be created. And as you can see, the account has been created. I just have to check my email to follow it and confirm my account. So I'm just going to open up my email. So here I've gotten this email and I'm just going to verify now to verify my Ring account. Now, as you can see, the verification is now complete. I can go back to my account and then I can simply log in. So here I have logged into my account. Now you just have to enter your phone number and you're good to go.